We're talking with Kyle Skarr, sales manager at Stonehollow Homes. Kyle, tell us a little bit about this product. You keep saying it's so great. What do you love about this product? Tell us a little bit about what the look and feel of your homes are.
Well, that's just great. So where we're at is with Stonehollow Homes, what we like to think is that our standards are everybody else's upgrades. I mean, the truth of the matter is when you come into a home, most of the people walk into a house and they walk into a model home. I remember with my customers all the time. They walk into the model home and they go, ooh. Well, the ooh is because there's $70,000 of overpriced upgrades that you're not getting. So once you narrow it down and find out what you're not getting, you're getting a giant white box. All right. So when they come into ours, my first model that they enter in is mine where I'm officed out of. I only have two upgrades, the wood floor and the refrigerator. That's it. So when customers come in, what you see is what you're gonna get. So the big thing is like we do a full sod, full sprinkler, and gutter. The landscape package you see outside of my model is what you're going to get. I don't have all kinds of roses and stuff like that you're not going to get. Like you get 3 little nuggets. No, you're going to get a stone border and the beautiful landscaping package. Now you enter the home. You've got a solid oak front door, not that crappy composite thing.
Right.
All right. You come into the house. You got rounded corners. You got 5 1/4 inch baseboards. You've got solid maple cabinets that are furniture style, not the stained on site. Granite everywhere, kitchen and bathrooms. We do tumble marble backsplash or travertine of your color choice. I do not put floor tile on your backsplash because it looks awful. All righty. So as you come to our house, you're going to notice that we have all the things that you always find that are upgrades. When you go to our garage, nobody ever remembers this until they buy the house and they find out they didn't get this stuff. You go in the garage, it's fully finished, textured, and painted with an insulated door and opener. Most of my competitors are doing taped and bedded, no insulation on the door. You don't find out until afterwards you're standing there without a finished garage.
That is big stuff, because I'll tell you, working with a lot of builders and working on build, I've built a home myself, and we've done different levels, and you're right. There's a lot of upgrades that a lot of people come in to get, and sure enough, they find out they're spending a lot more on the house. You're able to help them budget, help them know really what they're getting into, and help the lender too. So it's a great partnership. So let's go over some of the basics then. How much is the deposit? So
the deposit's a $500 deposit. That's it, all the way to closing, including your upgrades. So typically what works is that somebody wants $3,000 to $5,000 with a deposit, non-refundable at drywall, and you want 50% of your upgrades up front. We don't do that. We take all the risk. It's $500 deposit. You pick your upgrades. We're going to let you finance in these over a 30-year term. This way what happens is most people don't have all that cash up front because it's in their house.
Right.
So they can't put their upgrades in, so they get a giant white box. They didn't get what they wanted. Put your stuff in. We're going to allow you the opportunity to finance it over a 30-year term. Some people end up having 2 or 3 pages of upgrades. Now, I do have it. It does say if you don't meet value because you over upgraded your house, now you're responsible for the difference. But most people, $500 to get all the way to the end.
That's still fantastic. That is very customer centric. That is very much understanding the needs of the client. I love that you're doing that. What's the average build time?
About 6 months right now.
Okay, so that's nothing. That's not long enough. So the whole process from seeing it first, though, and going through the design center, I imagine, and things like that.
I'm the design center. You're going to do everything with me.
Man, that's fantastic. Do you do custom builds, or how does that work?
Well, we don't do custom builds. We are a production builder. That's the only way we can stay on time and make your product affordable. But I will tell you, when you come in, we have options on our houses that you can go ahead and have certain bedroom changes, things like that, expanding bathrooms that we have a couple options on. But you're going to pick the colors and the additions to the house. Your house is going to feel custom.